Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit homepage in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just you have to open the themes, and here you can see the customize option. So just click here on customize. Now here you can see we can edit all these options, like here you can see image banner. So simply delete it. Now here you can see we have some feature products and headers, so you can also edit this. Just you can check all the options on the left sides like headers, announcement bar. So simply select here, and here you can change it according to your need. So all the options are available. You want to change according to your need, just select it. So when you select the product or any option, the customized settings will be available on the right side. So here you can change the icon. So here you can also click on create menu. So one by one you can edit the all options. So this is the simple way to use all the options to edit the home page in Shopify. So finally, when you edit all the home page, so in the next what you need to do, just you have to click on the save button. Now go back and refresh the page. So here you can successfully edit the home page in Shopify.